It's payday for Zareena, my homie, and I'm about to bring a smile on her face with something special. So, using my trusty 1-2-3 punch board by VR Maker, this thing can make envelopes, gift box, and bows in just a snap. Starting off with 5.5 inch of square paper and this new magnetic cutter that I got from Amazon. I'm using my scrap paper for this, and looking at the envelope guide, we're supposed to align it with two 3x4 on the left. So after aligning, we have to punch, do the scoring, follow score line A, and just repeat this process 4 times. I had bought this board a while back, and until now it was just collecting dust. And when I started using the board, I found that the punch had been rusted. And I tried so many things, but I couldn't get it to work until I told my dad how expensive this board was, and then he fixed it for me. I mean, that's a great, isn't it? So now it's working perfectly. There are some minor issues, but I feel like I can work around them. This board is really effortless, and it makes these things so easily and so quick. So all you have to do is, once you've punched everything out, just fold it. There's another added step. You can also round off each pointy corner. I decided to do that only for my flap, and now we just have to paste it. This was the golden hour in my room, and because of that, my entire glue became so much more liquidy than I wanted it to be. But anyhow, you can see how much glue that's coming out. But you can't miss a golden hour, can you? Anyway, we just have to paste all the flaps, and now I'll show you how to round off the flap. There we go. Easy peasy. To make it a little bit more special, I added a butterfly and some reverse cuts that I saved on. And there we go. So cute.